Hello kids, welcome to Kids Learn. Today, let's know about names of few trees. This is a coconut tree, cherry blossom tree, bamboo tree, banana tree, banyan tree. This is the national tree of India. Oak tree, date palm tree, palm tree. This is a maple tree. It is a national tree of Canada. Teak tree. This is an orange tree. This is a guava tree. This is the jackfruit tree. This is an apple tree. Papaya tree. A lemon tree. Neem tree. Peepal tree. This is a pine tree. Mango tree. Thank you for watching Kids Learn. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.